Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're at Vapiano in Manchester City Centre. I ordered, so it's very easy, straightforward to order. You just kind of scan the code on your phone and then it takes you to the website and you could place an order and you could pay and everything. I ordered the gambaretti, which comes with king prawns, cherry tomatoes, spring onions, tomato sauce, chili, rosemary, and lemon. That was £13.95. I'll be back when the food is here. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more action here at Vapianos. What we got is the virgin mint mojito. It's quite sweet. Alright, let's taste the prawn right now. This is that prawn. Thank you, appreciate it. That's that prawn right here. That's cooked nice, you know. Alright. Let's try some of this spaghetti right now. Get a little spin right here, right? This right here is stupid good. Just spin it up, you know, spin it up. Right here. I'm taking the last couple bites of my meal before I head back for the bus. This place is fantastic. I'm so full right now. I can't even eat this last little piece. If you're in Manchester, you should come here. And that was my first Vapiano experience. I'm so full right now. Back here at the Foot Locker. This is probably like the busiest foot traffic road kind of in Manchester. I'll say that in the weekend it's way busier. But then like around this time, right after work, when people are trying to get home and stuff, it starts to get really, really crowded. So we're gonna walk through the center, and then right at the end of this is gonna be Piccadilly where we get on the bus. Just got off the bus now. Gonna quick 2-minute, 3-minute walk to get back home. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Remember guys to like and comment and subscribe for more commentary content.